All right, let's get into this tailgate hinge inserts kit. I don't know if this is exactly what I wanted. As you can see here, this guy is kind of messed up. But this guy ends up popping off. And then the whole tailgate is like a pain in the ass to get back on. So like, I think I can, it just slides around like that. We're gonna get this. There we go. So it looks seems like somebody already tried to stick something in there. We're gonna try and pull that out. Yeah, already one of the things that I got. I wonder if I can like beat that down a little bit. This looks, I don't know if you can see that very well. It doesn't look very, looks like it's been tampered with. Anyways, pull this guy off. Alright, rock on. Yeah, so let's get this kit and see what it has. Oh my lord, safety hazard. Would have been crushing my toes. Now what goes where? These guys are the same size. This guy, I wonder if it goes here. Like, what is this for? Somebody enlighten me. Alright, I'm gonna try and hit this guy a little bit, get that bent, better. I don't know if it's supposed to be shaved down like that or what. I'm guessing at this point, guys. I really am. See, because I know this is the part I don't get. No, because why would it do that, right? Oh, these guys go in that hole right there. Let's try it. It seems to be too big. I think it would help if I take the tailgate off. No, this guy comes off easy because there's no safety tab on it. And if this thing drops, I don't really care. Rock on, dude. I don't even know how that's standing. I gotta figure this guy out. Man, this thing's beat the shit. This is like an oil buildup. I wonder if that's coming from under the... Yeah, if this doesn't go here, guys, it's gonna be too late by the time you get to tell me. But we gonna find out. See, I'm wondering how the fuck. Probably skip through this part so you don't have to watch me struggling. To me, it makes sense that it goes here. It's just gonna take a minute. I wonder if you grease these things. Do you grease these things? Anybody know? Where's that hammer? She went in. Ooh. All right. I love when shit just goes together. Let's get this other guy down here. I don't know if I have to remove. I think I do. I wonder if I can get that with some pliers. Don't mind. This is my daily carry. See, this still kind of. I could probably hit that with the 3-pounder. Maybe it might be too much sauce. We'll see. Yeah, this guy's a lot more weak than the other one. Really thin. That's not happening. I need like a piece of wood or something. Yeah, she's kind of popping out on me. Oh, there we go. I feel like it's gonna crinkle the plastic, you know, like crinkle it, pinch it maybe, no? Kind of did it right there a little bit, but we're gonna throw it on and see what happens. All right. How did I do this? It's a little wide. Yeah, I don't like that. I can't get leverage. We're gonna do it like that. First, safety straps. Bingo. Bango. Alright. Now to get this guy, you gotta align. You gotta align them hose. So, dude, I swear this doesn't fit. I'm gonna laugh. Because if this wasn't the way it's supposed to go, yeah, it definitely doesn't fit. Definitely, that is not the way it goes. So what we can do, take this guy off. Let's see how it goes now. Hey. Now how are we gonna do this? I think it's this guy first. That might be smarter. Let me get a new safety strap. Oh. Oh my lord, we did it. It's still a little off though, like, but damn, that is so much better. Dude, I swear, it still might fucking fall out, I don't know. But for now, yeah, see, this had to be aftermarket, because, I don't know, this guy looks OG. Either way. Yeah, there's some slight play, but that's what happened. That is exactly what happened to the previous one. And then I wonder if we just close it, what happens? Yeah, this isn't any better than what it was actually. That's unfortunate. Well, it'll do. Anyways, thanks for hanging with me in Braden's garage, literally. Deuces.